I have a word with you?
Well, go ahead. As long as the conversation does not involve my brother and his children.
Why are you being so wicked to your brother? Your blood.
Rephrase that statement. Because I want to prevail on myself to assume that I didn't understand that expression.
With all due respect, my husband, you are not getting it right. If everyone should lie to you, I cannot. I'm your wife. Please, whatever your brother must have done to you, forgive him. To err is human, but forgiveness is divine.
Was I stuttering when I said I don't want to have a conversation around my brother and his children? Or you just intentionally decided to be stupid?
No. Nelson, I take exception to that. Why are you doing this? Because I told you to forgive your brother? With due respect, Nelson, I am not your slave. I am your wife. I have a stake in this marriage too. Since we got married, I know you detest all my opinions, but that does not make me a slave or stupid or dumb. The reason we...
Hey, just stop! Stop this minute! Now get out of my room!
I will not take it from you. I will not! I will not! I'm not your slave! You don't command me like that! Forgive your brother, Nelson! Forgive him! Is that what I did wrong? You are not his God. Mommy, what is it? Mom. I'm fine.
You are not fine.
Melissa, I want to be left alone, please.
Mom, you know that's not possible. Okay, fine. I will let you calm down. When you're calm, I will come back with my barrage of disturbance. And you will have to tell me what happened. Because if you don't, I will keep disturbing you even if you yell at me until you tell me what happened. Okay, fine.
Your father is actually the problem. I don't know why he does not want to forgive his brother. He does not want to forgive him. He does not want to help the children. Tired.
Oh, I'm tired too. But what do you think we should do?
I don't know. The money I have with me is not going to be enough. I wish I had my personal account to withdraw more. Because we run a joint account, I can't even touch that account without him finding out.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, you've sent the goods. That's good. Yes, I will make a transfer. come on. This is jet age. Yes. My manager will take care of it. Yes. Coming. It's alright, we'll talk some other time. Yes.
Dad, why are you making me scared of marriage?
Now what the hell are you talking about?
Why are you being callous to your wife?
How dare you? How dare you use the word callous on your father? Now get out of my room. Get out!
Dad, if Chinwe goes blind, I will make sure I render you childless.
And what is the meaning of that statement?
You know exactly what I am talking about, Dad.
It's alright.
I just told Dad that if Chinwe goes blind, he should be ready to lose me too.
Good. And what did he say?
Nothing.
Don't worry. We'll find a way around it, okay? It's fine.
I already found a way.
Mm.
Go ahead and withdraw that money. Withdraw the money so we'll send Chinwe for the surgery. We can't fold our arms and watch her go blind. Heaven will not fall if father finds out, so withdraw it.
Okay.
Of course, Mom.
Has it got into this? Huh?
Got into what?
Your daughter asking you to withdraw money from my account without my consent? How?
Is she not right? Is she not right? Your brother is so sick in the village without help. And you are here packing all the money you can lay your hands on. Nelson, why are you this wicked? Why?
It's alright. Let's see how you will actualize that. Let's see. As a matter of fact, I'm freezing the account immediately. Let her go blind for all I care. She has a father. What is it? Go and touch the account, let me see.
Nelson!
Go and touch it. No account for you. It's frozen.
Go and collect World Cup. You want to freeze the account. When you freeze the account, my life will be frozen, okay? Go and freeze it.
Chukwu na bụ onye lele anya n'obi ngwa were obi gị ọkwa Chukwu bụ onye nke na-ele anya n'obi naanị ya mazụrụ mkpa niile Ọkwachukwu bụ onye na-ele anya n'obi. Ngwa were obi gị niile nye ya n'aka. Aga m ewere obi m niile. Ka anyị were obi anyị niile. Mgbe ị na-aga n'iru Chukwu, nwere anyị obi ebere. Nna m nwere anyị obi ebere. Ebube nwere anyị obi ebere. Nwere anyị obi ebere. Eze nwetụrụ anyị obi ebere. Chibu nwere anyị obi ebere. Ebube nwetụrụ anyị obi ebere. Eze m lee anyị ebere Chukwu anyị. Mere anyị obi ebere Chukwu nna m. Anyị ya ka dibịa n'iru gị eze. Ebube ije ụmụ onye ga-anabata m nna m. Nwetụrụ anyị obi ebere. Ọkwa ime na ọ dịghị onye nwere n'elu ụwa. Mere anyị obi ebere. Onye na-akpọfu ugboro zakarịa. Oge erukwala mgbe ị ga-aza ya aza. Metụrụ anyị obi ebere. Metụrụ anyị obi ebere. Metụrụ anyị obi ebere. Eze m ịkụwagwụla ndị gị. Eze biko jụkwala. Biko jụla Chineke obi ọma. Metụrụ anyị obi ebere. Onye naanị ya na-achị eze. Ọkwa isi mkpọ gịnị ga-aza nna m. Ọkwa isi anyị ya na anyị ga-ayọ.
Why are you crying?
No, I'm not crying. How are you? You don't just play keyboard. Can you never go now? What is it? Did anybody die? You make one member when came on Guinea. What is it?
Huh? You do not lose hope in life.
Eh?
There's still lights at the end of every tunnel. Yes.
I know.
Stop wasting your tears. Because I know that the living God you serve shall not forsake you.
I don't know why you are even a man. You have such a soft heart. Ike nwannem. Ike benakwa. I'm not even crying because of me. I'm not crying because of my eye. I have you. Ike, now what our father is going through is killing me softly. The worst part is that sometimes I feel like helping him. Or not I can't say help here. I can't even help him. And he's going through a lot. How can our own uncle threaten to send his own brother out of our own house, out of this house? How can that be possible?
Don't worry.
Oh.
He's alone. Nobody's supporting him. Let's see how it goes. Okay?
Hey.
Once we have Melissa and her mother on our side. Okay? Jingo, you know I love you, right?
I know one name. And I love you too. I love you too. I can't wait for God to balance your life. All this nonsense will end. I know. Oh my God, yes, you know. I'm busy now. I'll be a man now. I'm even stronger than you.
Jingo, guess what?
Actually, guess what?
Guess what?
That you're crying.
Guess what?
You just want to change my mood. You want me to stop crying?
Just guess now.
I'm not crying.
Guess what?
Melissa is coming back.
No. My trap caught 3 grass cut.
3?
Yes, 3.
Let me go.
Hey!
Keep the leg from you.
Oh, the leg?
Yes.
Okay, I'll keep the head for you.
The head? Okay, time.
Okay, I'm coming.
Don't cook everything at once, so.
Okay.
Hey. Ali, there is something. This is the only thing that makes me happy. God bless my brother for lighting my day. And God bless Melissa and the mother for this keyboard. Best gift ever. Hey. Hey. Melissa, God will bless you. Ah, yeah, yeah. You are the covenant keeping God. There is no one like you. Now you be the Alpha and Omega. There is no one like you. You are the covenant keeping God. I know there is no one like you. Now you be the Alpha and Omega. Father, there is no one like you. Okwagichi nekekigwe. Onyokwu ya bu ena amen. Okwarukwa la hundi mwanya. Ezemo. Ezemo, Ezenigwe, Ezem. You are the covenant keeping God. Besides you, there is no other God. Alpha and Omega, me. Hey! Onye bineligwe. Okwagine miya nkesirike ezem. Inakwale nkesirike. Okwabobu niji bebido nisi. You are the covenant keeping God. Yahweh, there is no one like you. You are the Alpha and Omega.
Where are you going?
I was on my way to your house.
To do what?
Hi.
What happened? We agreed to meet at your house by 6 p.m. and it is almost time. Oh. Has Nelson come?
I've not seen him.
He has not come?
I've not seen him.
What? You want to tell me that Nelson has not come? And he assured me that he must be here. Not only that he must be there, that he will sleep over if the meeting lingers tonight. Well, we need to go and wait for him. Who knows? The hold up on our roads might hold him.
Yes. Terrible hold-ups on our road every day.
Yamoke, Kana. Let us go back and wait for him. He must surely come. Come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Adoma. In a meeting where
Hey. Papa, come on, you want to do it?
My daughter. I bless you today with the spirit of our forefathers.
Amen.
The gods of our land that gave you this melodious voice will not put you to shame. The evil ones that wants you to go blind will never succeed. I tell you, with this voice, you go for international purpose. And don't worry, I'll put a helping hand for this operation.
Hey.
No matter how little it is. Thank God.
Thank you, sir. Nah, my only challenge and problem right now is not even my sight, it's for my father to be fine. I don't want him to die of blood pressure. He already developed a very high one at that, all because of his younger brother. Nah, Biko, let's maintain every single truth that we know. Please. I'm still wondering how a younger brother will just wake up one night and become the first son.
Mbana. My daughter, this matter is for the elders. In as much as we know that you don't want anything to happen to your father, we know the truth, and the truth can liberate us.
Amen.
You are right. But since we are still waiting for Nelson, let Chime sing for us a little, so our spirit can be lifted.
Do you have a spirit?
More.
Or the ones those widows from Umugama have taken?
Okoro,
you had me made a contribution for her eye surgery, and you couldn't. Only for her to sing for you, because you are the Igwe or Nowo of this land.
Yeah, Okoro, okay, money no najuaka. Eh? You have started to insult me before this girl. Don't allow me to deal with you in this village. I swear, if not for one thing, just one tickly thing, I would have said something.
Yeah, okay. In our speed. No wayo, me wupiaga anya now. Ina puara.
Okoro. Bora ovanka. Shege da iska. You are talking to me. If you tell me, shut up. Shut up. It's only walking up. Okoro mobia. Okwaneze. Omabia.
Odigo nyega bataya. Odigo nyega bataya. Mobugi onyanke doro. Odigo nyega bataya. Odigo nyega bataya. Owego nyega bataya. Mobugi onyanke doro. Oh, this song, oh, this song. Do you like it? Ulanamigwe, this song. Hey, Odigo nyega bataya. Odigo nyega bataya.
Naga ha bata ya.
Ọdịgo onye ga-abata ya ma ọ bụghị onye doro nsọ. Ọdịgo onye ga-abata ya. Asị m na ọdịgo onye ga-abata ya. Onweghị onye ga-abata ya. Ma ọ bụ na ọ bụghị onye ahụ nke doro nsọ. Si na onweghị onye ga-abata ya. Onweghị onye ga-abata ya. Ọ dịghị onye ga-abata ya. Ma ọ bụ na ọ bụghị onye ahụ. Hey! Anana Bazia. Easy Anaha. Thank you, Holy Spirit. I don't. Do you like that song?
Too much.
Hello, baby.
I think we'll have a rainfall tonight.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't get to talk to you all the while I was in the village. Oh, fine, you have every right to be angry. I'm sorry, please.
Well, that's okay. I'm just concerned about the direction our relationship is going.
Okay, fine. Let me make it up to you. How about lunch tomorrow?
How about you come home and prepare something? It's been a while you spent time here.
Okay. But babes, you know we can kill two birds with one stone. I mean, we'll go to lunch. After lunch, we'll go over to your place and then we get to be together. What do you think?
That sounds delightful.
Thanks, babes. Thanks for forgiving me. Babes, I have to go now. I'm really, really tired. I came in this evening. Let me rest. Okay, I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye. I love you.
Sweet dreams. I cannot wait till tomorrow.
Oh my God.
No need to waste time. I have to be proactive and match my words with action.
Babe. Babe. What is it?
I'm sorry for the silence. I was just thinking about everything going on in my family and the fact that there's not much I can do about it.
But you can tell me about it. What is it?
It's my father and his brother.
So what is it about
your father and his brother that cannot be sorted out?
It's something my father does not want sorted out. I mean, the man is just being wicked. He's just being...
Babe, wickedness is a very strong word. You can't use such words towards your father. Something must have led the man to do whatever he did that made you call him wicked.
Something that your wife and children cannot intervene.
You know, like I said, baby, it all depends. You know, people can actually push you to do something you don't want to do. These things happen.
Oh, really? Oh, baby, you've not answered my question.
Did you ask me any question? I can't remember. Tell me, what is it?
I asked, what is it that your brother will do that your wife and your children cannot intervene?
Like I said, it depends. You know, not everything would you allow your wife or someone else to intervene. There are things that are trashed out personally, you know. These things happen. You know, one can actually push you to the wall or make you do things that you never imagined that you could do, you know.
Uche.
Yes, babe.
Are you this wicked? No, are you beginning to show me who you really are?
What have I said? I'm trying to explain to you.
Trying to explain what? No, let me ask you a question. If we get married tomorrow and you have a problem with your brother, so I cannot intervene.
Maybe not everything I would want you to intervene. There are things that you could just stay aside and let me trash it out with my brother. It doesn't mean that we can...
I see.
Babe, look, babe. Hold on, What kind of a human being is this? Did I wrong this girl in any way? Did I do anything by saying my mind? That means a lot is really happening in our family. Melissa walked out on me. Well, let's see how it goes. Steve, what happened to your phone? I've been trying to call you. Listen, Steve, you have to come to the house now. Right now, it's an emergency. I need you to come right now. Yeah.
Oh! Mama Molanya. Oh, go. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
You're just coming back from the stream?
Yes.
Let me help.
No, don't worry, Obim, don't worry, I can carry.
Too heavy. Let me help you take it home.
No, I'm okay.
Eh?
Yes, I'm okay, don't
You
worry.
sure?
Very sure.
Okay, no problem. I'll see you later in the day, okay?
Yes. You will come?
I'll come and see you.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Yes. Come on.
I will come, okay?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Boy.
Okay, good afternoon.
Did anything happen in this house today?
No, nothing happened.
Oh. Are you sure you have not left this house?
I do. Nothing happened. I did hear something.
Okay. Let me see your gun.
I don't understand. You were showing her how strong you are. That was a very big mistake. Women don't like such. All she wanted is for you to understand that what the father is doing to his own very brother is not right. But what did you do? You ended up supporting the father.
Makopo, that thing, man. Melissa Bwagwanje. We were still talking. I did not conclude. She didn't listen to me. She just stood up and embarrassed me. You knew full well that I miss her. She was supposed to come with me after lunch. That's it. She just got angry and left.
Then why didn't you try holding her back?
Of course, Stephen. You talk as if you don't know me. I held her. She pulled out and left.
Uche, you just have to start all over again. Yeah, sure. Send her a message, or better still, call her. You know, bring her closer to know what the father is dragging with the brother. Then you discuss with her, so you can know how to help. Instead of here arguing that you're not going to.
Steve, it's very obvious that you've not been listening to me. What did I do? Did I conclude? We were still talking. She embarrassed me, left me in public. You need to know how humiliating that was. If there's anyone to apologize here, it should be Melissa, not me.
Uche.
I am definitely not calling her.
Uche, if you continue like this, you end up losing her.
Mommy, good morning.
Morning. Have you seen your father today?
No. Is he not around?
No, he was not in the room when I woke up.
Have you checked everywhere?
He's not anywhere in this house. But let me find out from Ago.
Okay.
Ago! Ago!
Morning.
Morning. Did you see my husband today?
Oga don comot.
What time?
He comot early momo.
What?
Early momo. I even dey greet am, he no answer me.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You can go back.
Jesus, the Son of God. I believe in you, only you. I believe in you, Son of the Holy God. I believe in you. You are my dignity, you are my pride. I believe in you. You are my authority. So come again. Who is that?
Where is your father?
Pa?
Blessing, my brother. You're welcome. How is your family?
Unduka, I am not here for pleasantries. I'm here to tell you that I'm giving you 1 week. 1 week for you and your family members to pack out of this house. 7 days is what I'm giving you.
Uncle, please have mercy on us. Please, Uncle, look at my condition. Uncle, there is no way for us to go to, and you know, Uncle, we are the same blood. Whatever it is my father have done to you, Uncle, please forgive him for my sake, please, Uncle. Uncle, please.
Will you just keep quiet? Which condition are you talking about? Are you the only blind woman in this world? Eh? Which condition are you talking about? Now let me warn you. If you like, Please, from now till tomorrow, go tell your father. Let him go and give you his own piece of land so I can build for him. Certainly not this house.
Nelson, what have we done to you? Where have we wronged you? Please have mercy. Please.
Uncle, please forgive us.
Onduka, are you the one asking me that stupid question? You're asking me what wrong you've done to me. It's alright. Let me come back here and still see you here.
Uncle,
7 days! Idiots!
Uncle, please come back, Uncle. Where are we going to now?
Hello, Uche. Yes, I don't want to talk to you or see you until you apologize for the other day.
Apologize to you for what? At least tell me why I should apologize.
You know, I hate men who have a little bit of my father in them and behaves like him. I don't like them.
No. I do not like you comparing me to your father. Your father is who he is and I am who I am. Maybe he's not a man that can absorb a woman pushing him to the wall. You pushed me to the wall.
I see. Are you this difficult? Well, Uche, since you don't want to apologize, have a good day.
Oh, wait. Come on, babe, wait. Don't drop the call. It's not just apologizing, but the apology has to come from the deepest part of my heart. Huh? Alright. How about I look at you in the face and say I'm sorry? Huh? Look at those beautiful eyes and just say I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Babes, I'm sorry for working out on you the other day.
It's alright, baby. I should be the one tendering all the apologies. I'm sorry.
You're forgiven. Okay. Later. Bye.
Bye.
Ikenna, thinking will not solve anything. What do we do? This whole thing is just getting out of hand. What do we do?
Chinwe, what have we done to this man? Chinwe, Kediaime, this man. How can he seize all the land and turn around to claim this house? Chinwe. This man is pushing me,
Calm down, please. Calm down. Okay, just call Melissa. Call Melissa first. She knows how to talk to him. He's her father.
The worst thing he can do is to take me to jail. Yes!
He can't send my brother to jail.
Yes, that's the worst thing he can do.
In Akbaya.
Because how far? What? You mean my father came to the village this morning and gave you people 1 week ultimatum to vacate the house? Hold on. Cause hold on. When did this happen? This morning. Okay, calm down. I'll call you back. I will call you back immediately, please. Yes. What? Mommy. I just got on the phone with Ikenna. He said Dad came to the village and gave them 1 week ultimatum to leave the house. What? It sounds unbelievable, right? But this is what Dad is capable of. What is wrong with him? Mommy, what is this? Why is he harassing this family like this? In fact, I'm going to that village. I'm going to the village today.
No. Just calm down. Let him come back first. Okay?
Mom, this thing Dad is doing is not good. It's really not good. Why this wickedness? Mommy, talk to your husband. Talk to your husband.
Relax. Let him come back first.
Cause Ikenna, calm down. I just spoke to my mom now. I reported to her. And once my dad comes back, she will talk to him. Yes, please, just calm everybody down. There is nothing to panic about. Ikenna. Yes. Okay, no, I'll call you once she talks to him. Okay, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes. Later, I'll call you. I'll keep you updated. Bye-bye. What is...
You are welcome.
Yes.
It seems you came to see your brother.
My brother?
Yes.
Do I have a brother?
What is the meaning of that?
You heard me right. Did I put water in my mouth when I was asking you the question?
Is that why you insulted your kinsmen and didn't honor our invitation the other day?
What nonsense invitation are you talking about? Yes! I asked Undika to back out of that house. I built that house with my hard-earned money for my mother. And now my mother is late and buried. Good. So what is he still doing there? He should back out.
So you called invitation of your kinsmen a nonsense?
That is exactly what it is. Yes. I know Unduka gathered all of you to speak on his behalf. But it will not work. If he does not back out of that house, I am going to bring down the house. And none of you can dare me. I'm telling you.
Achiang, since you don't have a brother,
where is your daughter?
She should be here.
She's not there. I will not take anything for granted in this house. Thank God I have a son that is schooling abroad. And so I'm not a father to a lone child. Now, you call your daughter, tell her to bring my money and my ATM card. If not, I will kill her and nothing will happen.